What counts as compensable time for overtime rules? Imagine you're working a full day and wondering if every minute you spend on the clock counts toward your pay. Well, understanding what counts as compensable time is key to making sure you get paid correctly. When it comes to overtime rules, the law says all hours you are required to be on duty or at your worksite are usually paid. This includes the time you're actively working, waiting to work, or even on call at the employer's location. For example, if you're a cashier and you're clocked in, every minute you're working counts. If you're waiting for a customer and still on the clock, that time is also paid. The same applies if you're on call at the workplace and must stay nearby. But if you're on call at home and not called in, that time generally isn't paid. Short breaks of about 20 minutes or less are considered work time and must be paid. Travel that's part of your job, like going from one worksite to another during the day, can also be compensable. Activities that are necessary for your job, like maintaining equipment or attending mandatory meetings, count too. On the other hand, long breaks where you're completely relieved of duties and free to do your own thing are usually not paid. Employers need to keep accurate records of all these hours to stay compliant with wage and hour laws. If they don't pay for all the time you work or are required to be on duty, they can face legal trouble and back wages. To avoid this, employers should have clear policies and reliable timekeeping systems. They can also offer compensatory time off instead of overtime pay, but only under specific rules and with proper documentation. In short, anytime you're working or expected to be available for work at the employer's location, including waiting, short breaks, and certain travel, counts as compensable time. Paying for all these hours ensures compliance with the law and fair treatment for workers.